Tell me when it starts.
It started.
It's already started?
Yes.
Alright, so I guess I'm solving this cube now. This is her cube. It's not a very good cube, so I won't be able to go very fast with it. I will buy her a better one. So. Piece of poop.
What?
I said it's a piece of poop.
I colored it yellow.
Yes, you did, and it's so much easier to see the yellow now.
Yeah, I know.
But it's rubbing off on my fingers.
I knew that. It's Sharpie. What did you expect?
For it to not rub off on my fingers? I tried teaching her how to do this, but she said no. She said no.
So, it's complicated.
It's not actually, it's fairly simple.
Nope.
Very simple.
Look, I tried doing the thing online and it was confusing.
That's because you don't know what the algorithms are.
They taught me the algorithms.
You don't know what the annotations is. You don't know how it sits. You don't know. There you go.
And mess it up again. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. Oh my god. Because I don't know how to fix it.
I could solve it again if you want me to. I could flip the centers. Orange into white. Sharpie yellow one to green. Blue one that. And then you just flip it back over again.
Sharpie.
Sharpie.
I have a bunch of colored Sharpies. Let's see.
I can do a little diagonal thingy from a bobber.
Where are my Sharpies? Oh, they're all at the back.
I don't know if I'm going to fix it though. If I don't, I guess I'll just solve it again. Yep, I flipped the centers. It's time to solve it again. Yeah, there's a lot of Sharpies. Are we seriously making a video? Alright. Let's see. I gotta solve this again.
Oh, my backpack. That's my backpack.
What's your backpack?
There's duct tape in it. And scissors. Oh, there's more scissors. Look. I have a bunch of scissors. Duct tape.
Don't use that on me. I don't feel like dying tonight.
You said it was going to kill you.
I don't know. Who said I was accusing you of wanting to kill me? You just accused yourself. Do you realize that? Exactly.
These are my gloves.
Those are some long gloves. My hair's messed up now. A nice one. You did that dandruff fell. It's gross. Yeah. The yellow side still sucks.
You know that one, you know how long it took for me to upload my other video that had singing on it?
Oh.
It was only like 3 minutes. It took me 50 minutes.
Took you 50 minutes?
Yeah. 50 minutes to upload 2 minutes. Some odd seconds.
50 minutes to upload 2 minutes?
Yeah.
50.
Yes.
This is going to take you forever. Or you can just go to my house and upload it at my house. My favorite one to solve is a 5x5 that I have in my house.
That's my push pop at your house.
You left your push pop at my house? You want to throw that note away. Of course you'd write it on that. I think we should stop the video.
Okay.
Did you stop it yet?
Oh, it's in it. I meant to.